Good day, everyone. Today, I want to talk about an essential aspect of our well being healthy eating habits. Maintaining a healthy diet and lifestyle is crucial for our physical and mental health. I will share some tips for adopting and maintaining healthy eating habits that can help you lead a healthier and more balanced life. Understanding healthy eating. Healthy eating is about consuming a variety of foods that give you the nutrients you need to maintain your health, feel good, and have energy. These nutrients include protein, carbohydrates, fat, water, vitamins, and minerals. Let's explore some practical tips to help you achieve a healthy diet and lifestyle. Tips for maintaining a healthy diet. 1. Eat a balanced diet. Variety of foods. Incorporate a variety of foods from all food groups. Fruits, vegetables, grains, protein, and dairy. Each food group provides different essential nutrients. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls to help control portions and prevent overconsumption. 2. Prioritize fruits and vegetables. Colorful plates. Aim to fill half of your plate with fruits and vegetables at each meal. The different colors indicate a variety of nutrients. So a colorful plate is a healthy plate. Fresh and seasonal. Choose fresh, seasonal produce whenever possible, as they are often more nutrient-dense and flavorful. 3. Choose whole grains. Whole over refined. Opt for whole grains instead of refined grains. Whole grains like brown rice, whole wheat bread, and oats contain more fiber and nutrients. Fiber intake. Whole grains are an excellent source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps you feel full longer. 4. Include lean proteins. Diverse sources. Incorporate a variety of protein sources, including lean meats, poultry, fish, beans, lentils, and nuts. Plant-based proteins are great options for a healthier diet. Moderate red meat. Limit red meat and processed meats, which can be high in saturated fats and sodium. 5. Healthy fats. Good fats. Include sources of healthy fats such as avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. These fats are beneficial for heart health. Limit bad fats. Reduce intake of trans fats and saturated fats found in fried foods, pastries, and processed snacks. Tips for a healthy lifestyle. 1. Stay hydrated. Water intake. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses, about 2 liters daily, more if you are active or in a hot climate. Limit sugary drinks. Avoid sugary beverages like soda and energy drinks, which can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. 2. Regular physical activity. Exercise routine. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. Active lifestyle. Find ways to stay active throughout the day, such as taking the stairs, walking during breaks, or engaging in hobbies that involve physical activity. 3. Mindful eating. Listen to your body. Pay attention to hunger and fullness cues. Eat when you're hungry and stop when you're satisfied. Avoid distractions. Try to avoid eating in front of the TV or computer. Focus on your food to enjoy it more and avoid overeating. 4. Plan your meals. Meal prep. Plan and prepare your meals in advance to ensure you have healthy options available and avoid the temptation of fast food. Balanced meals. Aim to include a balance of carbohydrates, proteins, and fats in each meal to keep your energy level stable and prevent cravings. 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep importance. Ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night. Adequate sleep is crucial for overall health and helps regulate appetite and metabolism. Sleep routine. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine to improve sleep quality. Conclusion: maintaining healthy eating habits and a balanced lifestyle is essential for our overall well-being. By eating a variety of nutritious foods, staying hydrated, being physically active, practicing mindful eating, planning our meals, and getting enough sleep, we can improve our health and quality of life. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Start incorporating these tips into your daily routine, and you'll be on your way to a healthier, happier life. Thank you for your attention.